What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and I'm exhausted. I'm literally filming videos back to back to back to back to back. Either way, this the last vid of the day. Another banger. By the time you're watching this video, just go watch all the videos I uploaded before this, after this. Subscribe, like this video, comment whatever you want if you're new here. I respond to all my comments, as well as we on our way to 300 plus subs. As soon as we hit 1K subs, we're doing an absolutely free giveaway. So yeah, subscribe and join the squad. Let's get right into it. You see the title, so you already know what we're reviewing, but let's just show you guys some of the stuff. Mind you, it's not one, it's two. So let's get right into it. Thank you for watching. If you're here, if you're new, thank you for joining. Like this video, and yeah, follow me on Instagram and check out the main channel. All those two links will be down below in the description. So let's get right into it. Alright, so off rip, let me just take them out the box. We have, listen, I don't know the colorways of these or what they call it. All I know is it's the brown and like the lime green highlighter color. I don't know which is which. Actually, I do. So let's see. We got the size 10 of these highlighter color Yeezy slides. It's so crazy how slides also go for mad bread, and they're low as hell on retail. Either way, this is funny to do a thumbnail. I mean, I don't even know how you could tell the sizing on the shoe. How do they know if this is a size 11? Oh, it's a sticker. Okay, so the sticker says 10 and that says 10. Okay, cool. So I won't mix them up. This is one. Let's take out the other one so we can just go over both of them. And this is a size 11 for this one. For these brown looking Johns. I swear, slides are so hilarious to me. My boy said he ain't jacking it. That's not his style, so he ain't keeping, he's selling them as well, obviously. But yeah, this video shouldn't be too long. It's literally slippers. That's how the game is crazy. We deadass are reviewing slippers. So that's the brown Johns. Let's see, I don't know. Nah, it's not like regular slippers. They can't go in together. So let's just do this real quick. No. Alright, hold on. Let's just go over them real quick. Try and hold it for a thumbnail. There you go. Boom. That's funny and that's crazy. But yeah. The brown ones and the highlighter color ones, whatever you call them. Either way, size 10, size 11. Yeezy slides. Let me know what you guys think about them. Is it so crazy that we're doing reviews on slides? Adidas slides, Yeezy slides. That's crazy. Let me know what you think about these colorways. Do you like these two colorways? Did you like the beige one? I think they dropped the beige, this, and then this color. Let me know if you copped. And yeah, let me know if you copped. Let me know if you like them. Are they overrated or are they worth the hype? I know people say, oh, I paid because it's comfortable. You know you can find comfortable slippers, right? That's not 200 to 100 bucks. Literally, that's insane for slippers. But just for the hype, it's worth it. But it's just crazy. I would never buy slides for resale ever in my life. Unless they drop the red ones, which they got the red foam runners coming very soon, and I may want those red ones, the red foam runners. I think that's what it's called, right? The foam sneakers, whatever you want to call it. Either way, thank you for watching. This video should not be long at all. I'll see you guys in the next one. Like I said, if you're watching this video, I probably by now dropped 5-6 videos, so go watch and go check out all the videos. Subscribe, share this video, like this video, comment, do all that good stuff. So if you're watching this, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, shout out to y'all. Thank you for watching. Should I do it with the slides? Cause I don't know if I could click the button, but let's just try.